campfire, kid, cabin, middle of nowhere. That's what we're up to right now, isn't it? Got some marshmallows to cook on that bad boy, and some, well, Dad's got some brats. Well, not brats, but, you know, sausages. 100% beef. This beef is good. Look at this place of ours. Home sweet home.
Wait, we should show the inside.
Now let's show the inside, huh? Take a little tour. Oh, it's dark in here though.
Yeah.
Look at this place. Let's test out this light. Oh. Check that out. A little lantern. Second story. Another little story up there.
I'm going to...
2 beds.
2 beds down here.
2. Yep. Down here.
That's up there is mine. And down here is mine.
Right?
Yeah, I have 2 beds.
Oh, man. There's a river right over there. This is the way to do it.
Yeah.
None of this hotel stuff. Hotels are expensive.
Yeah.
Cabins are cheap. In comparison, anyway.
That's a nice cabin.
Oh. So that's...
Forgot to shut the door, man.
Well, you shut the door, lady.
How
So...
do I turn off the light?
Leave it on. By the time we get back in there, it's going to be dark anyway. So, we're on vacation, so no car-related content right now. But, I mean, I do have this. That's this thing right here. Yeah, it's a pen, okay? It's a fancier pen, right? I made this long time ago. I used to make pens a lot. I mean, I used to make them and sell them a lot. Seeing as we're on vacation, I can't really do much car stuff because, well, I don't have the car here. We're on vacation doing stuff and things. So I'm gonna take a few pictures from the past and kind of show you the process of how this thing even got made. If you like it, maybe we'll do more pen stuff. I'd really like to get back into the hobby. It's just I can't find a reason to, you know what I mean? So yeah, maybe a spin-off channel. I don't know. We'll see what you guys think. Well, what do you think? Is that kind of a cool... It's kind of cool watching the thing, come together, right? It's even cooler when you're making them. I don't know. You let me know. Should I make a spin-off channel for woodworking stuff and start doing that? Or could I do it on this channel? I don't know. It's kind of mainly a car channel, but, project's a project, right? Let me know down in the comments what you guys think about this whole maybe new avenue. I don't know. Let me know, okay? Let me know. I'll catch you next time.